Welcome back, travel fans and trip planners. Today we're going to do something super exciting and a little futuristic. We're taking a ride in a Waymo in San Francisco. That's right, a fully self-driving car. No driver in the front seat, just us, you, and the tech behind it all. Let's get lost in a Waymo! The first step is booking the ride. Use the Waymo app, which looks a lot like the Uber or Lyft app. Enter where you want to go, and within a few minutes the Waymo pulls up. And here's the wild part. When it arrives, there's no one in the driver's seat. Instead, it welcomes you with a little message on the screen. Your initials will also show up on the roof, and you unlock the car with your phone. Once inside, it honestly feels like just a regular car ride at first. You've got comfy seats, touch screens, and even a voice that talks you through what's happening. But then it hits you. There is no driver. Just an empty seat in the front, and it's kinda surreal. As you're moving, you'll notice the car drives pretty cautiously. It makes complete stops at stop signs, waits patiently at lights, and even handles tricky intersections. It's smooth, almost overly polite compared to some human drivers in San Francisco. And yes, it merges into traffic, takes left turns, navigates around bikes, pedestrians, and even those unpredictable city drivers. It's quite impressive. So how does this actually work? Waymo uses a combination of radar and high-resolution cameras all around the car. That's how it sees everything. Cars, people, even scooters and dogs crossing the street. Plus, the car constantly updates its maps to predict what's coming next. It feels safer than some of the Uber rides I've had. I'll admit, the first few minutes you're super aware that there is no one in the driver's seat. You keep glancing at the wheel and the pedals, waiting for a mistake. But after a while, you kind of relax. You realize the car is following every rule perfectly. Waymo is owned by Google. They currently operate in San Francisco, Phoenix, LA, Austin, and Atlanta. They are looking to expand to other cities soon. We're pulling up to our destination now, and when you arrive, the Waymo drops you off right at the curb, thanks you for riding, and then drives away on its own to pick up the next passenger. That's when it really hits you. You just took a ride in a car that drove itself through a busy city. Pretty incredible. So what's the verdict? Riding in a Waymo in San Francisco is part futuristic thrills and part daily commute. It's smooth, safe, and amazing to see where transportation is headed. It may not replace all rides just yet, but this is definitely a glimpse of the future. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this ride along and want more experiences like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and drop a comment below. Would you trust a self-driving car to take you around your city? Until next time, let's go and get lost!